A few years ago, it was crypto, then NFTs. Now, whether we like it or not, AI influencers are clearly becoming the next wave of content on the internet. But here's the real question. How do you create something original, something you actually own, and something that can start earning without needing a massive audience? That's exactly what Higgsfield is focusing on right now, and today they've launched 2 new products that completely change how creators can build and monetize digital personas. Let me show you how this actually works, step by step. Higgsfield is one of the fastest growing GenAI platforms, and their goal is very clear, to be the most creator-friendly platform in the world. Today, they've launched AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn. Together, these 2 tools let you build a fully original AI influencer, bring that character to life with motion, and start earning real money by posting content on YouTube and Instagram. No agencies, no brand deals needed, no huge follower count required. Now, let me jump inside the platform and show you this properly. So this is Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio. What makes this different from normal AI tools is that this is a single, unified character builder. You're not jumping between tools. Everything happens in one workflow. I'm starting by creating a character from scratch. Here, you get 90+ configurable parameters to define everything: skin tone, facial structure, body type, proportions, age, style, vibe, literally every detail. And what I really like is that there's no predefined normal. You can go hyper-realistic, stylized, futuristic, unconventional, even something the internet has never seen before. You can also start with ready-to-use characters. There are 13 pre-built AI influencers, and every single one of them is fully editable, so you're never locked into a template. Now I'll generate a UGC-style influencer image first, and once that's done, I can directly edit it and refine it. I am going to write a prompt first for generating the image of the type of influencer I want. Now, the type of influencer it gave me, I was not looking for something like this. So either I can edit it on Nano Banana Pro, or we can customize it by writing it further prompts. But for now, I'm going to regenerate it in human form. And look at this, exactly what I wanted. This prompt editing workflow is super useful. You don't throw things away and restart. You refine, tweak, and evolve the same character until it feels right. And here's something really interesting. You can mix presets or merge characters. That means you can combine styles or even create human-creature hybrids, twins, or unconventional anatomy. This is where AI influencers stop looking generic and start looking original. You can actually build some unique and quirky characters here. Now, creating the character is only half the story. This is where the motion engine comes in. I'm switching to video generation, and now I can bring this character to life with controlled, expressive motion. I can add movement, expressions, and personality, not just a stiff talking face. The output goes up to 30 seconds in high-quality HD with smooth, realistic motion. This is perfect for Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, AI influencer-style content, or even storytelling formats. You can add your own motion video reference to generate the similar video, and you can also choose the motion from their library. First, I'm going to select one example from Motion Library to generate a similar video.
Got my gloss on, cherry on my lips, little side eye, swaying in my hips. You've been watching since I hit the door.
I mean, can you believe it? This does not look AI at all. Now let's quickly try our own motion video reference too. I am uploading this video here and see how it will do this time.
So this is the fit check. I'm wearing a silk blouse and these high-waisted linen trousers. I love how comfortable yet chic this feels. So this is the fit check. I'm wearing a silk blouse and these high-waisted linen trousers. I love how comfortable yet chic this feels.
This is just amazing. I get some ready-to-post video that actually feels alive, not robotic. Now, here's the part most platforms don't talk about. Creating is fun, but monetizing early is what keeps creators consistent. That's where Higgsfield Earn comes in. Higgsfield Earn is the first monetization platform where creators can earn money directly from Higgsfield just by uploading content. And the best part? You don't need a big audience. Here's how it works. First, you log in and connect your social account, YouTube or Instagram. Verification is instant, no manual approvals. Second, you post your AI influencer video on social media. Then you simply paste the link into your Higgsfield Earn dashboard. From there, Higgsfield tracks the performance of your content, views, engagement, and you start earning rewards based on how it performs. That's it. No waiting months for monetization, no brand emails, no negotiations. Higgsfield literally pays AI influencers for signing up and for every upload after that. A lot of people missed Bitcoin. A lot missed NFTs. AI influencers feel like one of those early waves again, and this time the barrier to entry is way lower. You don't need a massive following. You don't need to show your face. You just need a strong idea and consistency. With Higgsfield, you build your persona, bring it to life, and monetize it, all inside one ecosystem. If you're curious about AI influencers, content creation, or new ways to earn as a creator in 2026, this is definitely something worth experimenting with.
So, now that we have seen how to make money using AI Influencer Studio, let's see what our AI influencer Sarah is posting on her Instagram.
Low roll, make 'em beg one please. Hands high, let 'em see that view. Everybody wanna move like you. Left, right, drop it down and sway. Sweet like sugar when I walk away. If you got flavor, let it show. On three, everybody go.
I've added all the links below so you can explore Higgsfield AI Influencer Studio and Higgsfield Earn yourself. If you create something with it, tag Higgsfield, and honestly, tag me too. I'd love to see what kind of characters you bring to life.
At last, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more such updates.